Have you been following global trade news recently?
Yes, especially how international trade affects small countries like New Zealand.
Exactly. New Zealand depends heavily on exporting agricultural products.
And red meat is one of their most important industries.
For over 100 years, the red meat industry has played a major role in New Zealand's economy.
That's true. Meat exports helped develop rural communities and supported economic growth.
But today, the industry is facing serious challenges.
One major change is consumer habits.
You mean people are eating less meat?
Yes, studies show that in wealthier countries, people often reduce meat consumption.
There has been a shift toward healthier diets and environmental awareness.
Environmental concerns are another challenge.
Livestock farming produces greenhouse gases, which affects climate change discussions.
Governments and environmental groups are encouraging farmers to adopt sustainable practices.
There is also competition from other countries.
Yes, China, which is a major export market, has increased its own meat production.
That creates a potential threat to New Zealand exporters.
Technology is also changing the industry.
Are you talking about lab-grown meat?
Exactly. Alternative proteins and food technology could disrupt traditional farming industries in the future.
So where does this leave the New Zealand meat industry?
Despite challenges, the industry is adapting.
How?
Farmers are improving efficiency using better genetics, nutrition, and farming techniques.
Are companies also focusing on higher value products?
Yes, many businesses are producing co-products such as cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and pet food using animal byproducts.
That helps increase profit and reduce waste.
Another strategy is ethical branding.
You mean promoting animal welfare and sustainability?
Exactly. Companies are focusing on quality, sustainability, and premium branding.
It sounds like the industry is standing at a crossroads.
Yes, it must choose between traditional methods and innovative solutions.
If the industry continues adapting, it could flourish in the future.
Now, let's review some important business English vocabulary from today's lesson. These words are commonly used when discussing global business, industry trends, and economic changes. Word 1, shift. A shift describes a gradual or long term change from one situation to another. For example, there has been a shift in consumer eating habits as many people are choosing healthier or plant based diets. Word 2, threat. A threat is something that may cause problems or danger in the future. For example, increasing global competition can be a serious threat to traditional meat exporters. Word 3, crossroads. A crossroads is a point where an important decision must be made. For example, the meat industry is currently at a crossroads between continuing traditional farming methods or adopting new technology and innovation. Word 4, claw one's way back. To claw one's way back means to slowly recover after facing serious difficulties. For example, companies often claw their way back after financial losses or market decline. Word 5, flourish. To flourish means to grow, develop, and become successful. For example, businesses usually flourish when they adapt to market changes and customer needs. These vocabulary words are extremely useful when talking about business trends, global industries, and economic developments. Try using one of these words in your daily conversations or workplace discussions. If the industry continues adapting, it could flourish in the future.